And about 350 watts. But the only antenna, this 40 meter antenna is on a pole at the side of the house, but I've got a 45-foot Versa tower in the back garden. And the only antenna that was on it was the 5-element beam for 6 meters. So I put up an old Cushcraft D3, just a 3-band dipole, 10, 15 and 20. I manage 36 zones and 118 countries. Go ahead.
Yeah, very good. Well, I'm going to have to work out. It's a bit the N1MM log I used didn't give the country, so I'll check that out. But I think it was over 100, but I'm not quite sure what the final figure is. So I'll do. But that was excellent, and that's just with the dipole. That's really good, really excellent. But conditions were amazing, Brian. Absolutely amazing, and it was brilliant to have 10 meters, just like the good old days. Huh?
Yeah, I couldn't believe 10. Normally 10, you'll hear stations from about 28,300 to about 20.